You get up in the morning in a fog, struggling to get your coffee to get you going. After your first cup, you find your day perfectly planned, emails sorted, and dinner considered, all by AI. Is this sci fi or our immediate future? Let's explore the AI agent revolution. AI agents are not just chatbots, they're proactive systems executing tasks on your behalf. We're moving from understanding AI to experiencing its capabilities. AI agents surpass Siri and Alexa with their autonomy and multi step task execution. Imagine an AI agent managing your calendar and coordinating appointments seamlessly. The goal is to free up your time and mental energy from repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. AI agents are already managing travel bookings and optimizing home energy use. Businesses leverage them for customer service and data analysis. Experience a day in the life with AI agents handling personal and professional tasks, making life more efficient and enjoyable. Address concerns about data privacy and security with AI agents. User control is key. Set boundaries and maintain oversight. Adapting to AI involves learning to delegate and trust these systems, ensuring they enhance rather than hinder our lives. Expect advancements in reasoning, integration, and personalized learning. AI agents could redefine productivity and leisure in society. Consider the potential shifts in job markets and daily life as AI agents become more integrated into our routines. AI agents are here to automate and simplify our lives, offering autonomy, efficiency, and a glimpse into the future of productivity. By embracing AI, we can focus on what truly matters, reclaiming time and enhancing our quality of life. By integrating AI agents, you'll reclaim time and enhance your productivity. They're not just tools, they're partners in achieving a smarter lifestyle. Embrace the change and explore the possibilities AI agents offer, transforming how we live and work. Explore existing AI agent tools and integrate them into your life. Join our AI automation workshops to learn more about leveraging these technologies. Stay tuned for our next video on specific AI tools and their applications. Together, let's step into the future with AI.